So today I'll be showing you how to bring back the missing camera icon on the lock screen of your Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. So what you want to do is go to the lock screen and long press on that lock screen. And then once you unlock, that's going to open up the lock screen editor. Now in the lock screen editor, you can see you can add icons here. So tap on that. And then let's find the camera icon. Here we are, and you can see the camera icon has been added. Now also, if you want to, you can add another icon to the left hand side. Let's add the phone icon just like it was by default. And then now you can tap on done in the top right corner, and now you have your camera icon back to the lock screen. With that camera icon there, you can actually launch the camera without unlocking the phone. So it's very, very useful like that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.